Okay, well, born by the incredible success of my first video, I'm going to make for you now Kangaroo Salad, one of my faves. We can basically buy this in the supermarket. It's a very lean meat. It has almost no fat on it, and it's almost pure protein. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a couple of pieces. The key to doing kangaroo is you have to have a hot plate, super hot, as hot as you can get it. And then you have to cook the meat just for 4 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other. That's really the maximum time that you need to cook it. You really want to cook it as rare as you can get it. The longer you cook it, the tougher the kangaroo becomes. And just within a minute, either way, it'll just become incredibly tough. Whilst the hot plate's heating up, I'm going to get my bowl and the rest of my ingredients. So I've got some salad, ripe tomato, and halloumi cheese. You don't have to use kangaroo. You can use steak. Sometimes I actually just do lamb chops on the barbecue and cut the meat off the bone and put that into the salad. It's just as nice. Okay, so now for the halloumi. Now, halloumi cheese, basically it's like a feta. What I do with this is I cut about 3 pieces like this. And that's basically going to go on the hot plate with the kangaroo. Okay, now that hot plate is as hot as it's going to get, I'm going to just drop that straight on. Now I'm going to close it, try and keep the heat in. Okay, let's see how it's going. Alright, see how it still looks pretty raw. The meat is done. Very important is that you let the meat rest for a few minutes, because a little of those juices basically drain out. So whilst I'm doing that, I'm just going to take the halloumi, just cut into small squares. You can crumble it by hand if you want. If you've never tried halloumi cheese, you certainly need to. It's quite yummy when it's grilled. Right, that goes in there. Now, whilst the kangaroo is resting, get some salt. And make sure there's... Okay, so I've given the kangaroo a chance to rest. As predicted, lots of lovely juices have come out. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to cut it thinly, like so. Kangaroo is like eating the best fillet steak you've ever had. You don't cook it properly, no problems. Okay, now I'm going to just take this, drop it into my salad. High protein salad, heaps of meat. Okay. crazy. So you'll get salad falling out. Okay. Now, olive oil, balsamic vinegar. Okay, now with a balsamic, just a wee drop of balsamic, because it has got caramel in it, so I don't really want to put that much in. Olive oil, no drama. Kangaroo salad with halloumi. A yummy meal.